In a village called Sitapur, a thief named Mallu used to live with his family. It's his duty to intercept and rob those who pass through the forest. One day, his wife named Varalu. Nothing has come out yet. When will you go? Go quickly. It's time for the passers-by. Again, if it's noon, no one will come. It's been 3 days since you left.
Oh, I am going. It's been only 3 days. What do you mean by theft? We should not go in hurry. In the past, people know about our theft and are afraid to come near. They come back after some time and forget the incident. Looking that we have to steal. I said I will go today, but I will eat something before I go. Mind my words, I will go tonight. Go and get me something to eat. You understand now?
All are ready. Only you are late. Here is a meal. Take it and leave now.
Well, I am going out. Are you coming opposite for me or not?
Only if I come opposite to you and you would have returned safely. I have been asking for Chandraharam since so many days. Bring it this time.
Am I making anything? I should meet the people who wears Chandraharam.
So Mallu goes out to steal that day. He's hiding behind a tree.
Well, go carefully, Uncle Raja. You are taking a lot of money. Shouldn't reach the village before dawn. People say that there are many thefts. Okay. Is this a new way for me? How many times have I come and gone so far? Okay, let's go. You be careful. See you later. Okay? You don't want me to come with you? 3 days ago, there was a theft on the way to Sitammallipalli. Okay, be careful.
So Rajaya leaves and continues his journey through the forest path. Mallu, who is waiting for time, notices Rajaya coming and
Oh, leave me. I don't have much money. Tell me, what does a poor person like me have?
so Mallu grabs the money bag from Rajaya.
Oh, listen to me. I am taking a loan from the elders of the neighboring village for my daughter's wedding, sir. If I don't take this money, my daughter's marriage will stop. Please leave me alone, sir.
Mallu turns back and leaves for home.
Hey, Mallu. Did you gone to the forest today? You seem have got it well today. Yes, father. Today was good. I caught a person who is to get his daughter married. I grabbed his money. Why do you torture people? You have stolen the money that was to be taken for the daughter's marriage. That's not good. When you taught me this education, didn't you feel bad? Don't you feel guilty when you steal? Now come and telling me lessons. Father, go and look after the work. Come on, I have stopped all this because I am repenting. That's why I want you to be freed from this sinful act. You can take some land and farm with what you have. Why are you so greedy? I said I had to say, then it's up to you. I have no patience to listen to this ethical talk. I am going now.
Mallu goes home after listening to his father's words.
Here it is, Varalu. There is a lot of money in it. Don't ask to go again for a week. Do you understand what I say?
That's fine. What is your father asking you for? Is he asking you for any money?
Nothing. He wants to stop these thefts. He says it is a sin to do this.
He just ate now. He flows until it runs out. Ignore all that. Have you brought anything for the child or did you come with empty hands?
Bring it. Here I have brought a pair of cloths and sweet box for the child. Come and call them. Okay?
We are here, Dad. What are the clothes that you brought to me? Much better than one you brought last time, Dad.
Why won't be better? The value of this is also double than what I was brought last night. Here I have brought you sweet box. Take it.
Yes, I like this. But this time when you go, take me too, Father. I want to come with you.
Why you, son? This career should end with me. Okay, son. Now go and enjoy the sweets.
So Mallu spends that day very happily with his family members. After a week passes, Mallu goes out to steal as usual.
Today I should take a different route. There is a possibility that the royals were on the lookout on the last time.
So Baya's daughter Sujata is coming along that way.
Let's go quickly. After traveling for 2 or more hours, we will reach the village. You are a newly married couple and must reach home before any incident happens.
There are no thieves on this road, Father.
Yes, yes, this is not the way it was the last time. This is a different way. After crossing this forest path, let's have something to eat.
Mallu saw those three coming.
They look like newlyweds. Jewelries also like to be high. If I rope them, I can rest for 10 days. I find it a good idea. Let's go for this. These are newlyweds. Married 2 days ago. Hey Mallu, today seems to be a good day. Along with money and gold, Chandraharam is also owned. You have taken a life to get all this. Don't be greedy now. Why are you caring about me? Who are you? I am not the type of to be afraid of any ghost. I am not a scary ghost, a wise ghost. Well, why are you stealing all this money and necklaces from passers-by? What do you think about yourself? Why? I want my wife and children to live comfortably so that we don't have any financial problems. Oh, you are going to take one's life for happiness of your wife and child. Do you like that damn much? Yes, whatever I do is for them. My wife has been asking me about Chandraharam since many days. Today her face lights up with happiness when she sees the necklace. Yes, but do you have to commit so many sins to make them happy? After this, you must experience this sin. A suitable atonement will be found for this. All these are pure hoax. Sins of virtues do not exist without. Found today is mine, tomorrow is another, that's it. I used to think so. I was a big robber like you in the last life. I was not afraid of sin. But now look how I am. This birth is yet to be experienced for thousands of years. Listen to my words and don't do these sinful things anymore. I am telling you because I feel it. This birth is your proof. Open your eyes now. But if I stop this profession tomorrow, I will not be able to make my wife and children comfortable. And if I have to bring and give everything they ask for them, I can do nothing but steal. But finally, it is for your wife and children that are committing such a sin, but do a little work. You have already wrapped up a lot of sin. Share this money and jewelry along with your sins equally among them. Then they will not want to accept your sin. If you want, ask them once. I am very fond of my family members. They will do something about me. If you want to share this sin, why not share it? We'll definitely share. I will go and ask them now.
So Mallu goes to ask his family members to share his sins as told by the ghost. He asks his wife first.
Hey Varalu, the Chandraharam you asked for, there is a lot of money. I don't have to go back and steal for months.
Very good. I always ask for this necklace. You brought whatever I asked you without denying it. That's why I like you so much.
That's fine, but I am doing all this for you. Will you do a little work for me now?
I'll do anything for you. I'm very happy now. Tell me, what do you want?
I have to do a lot of sin to bring all this to you. In short, I took the life of man and got this Chandraharam for you, and I have suffered a lot of sin. Will you take half of it? Tell me.
What? Why? It is husband's responsibility to bring whatever we ask for. I don't care if you stole it or worked very hard. Moreover, what if you have done all the sins and share half of that with me? That's impossible. I don't want that sin and I won't go to hell. What is hell, Mom? What is a sin? Sin means your father's thefts and robberies and taking other people's hard-earned money. We call that robbery sin. If you commit this sin, you will also go to hell. Hell has very severe punishments. Will my father also be punished in hell for my sins? Or will I be punished for that? Yes, son, there will be punishment. But will you bear some of your father's sins? No, I can't be punished in hell, Mom. I don't want this sin. Did you see? Not only me, even this child born by you is not ready to share your sin. You will own your sin you have committed, but no one will share it with you. Do we not want you to do good work and get us all this? Hearing this, Mallu immediately goes back to the ghost.
What, Mallu? If you come back soon, you are giving all your sins to them. You got my point. I understand your point of view. They are not agreeing to share my sins at all. They say that it is a responsibility to take care of them. I told you before, didn't I? No one agrees to share your sin. But I am not free from this sin. How can I get out of this? Tell me. From now onwards, you should leave this. Try to be a good deeds by helping others with what you have. Slowly your sins will decline. Understand? All right. Thank you for opening my eyes. Thank you.
From that day onwards, Mallu realized the truth that those who committed sins must suffer and spend the rest of his life doing good deeds as much as possible. If you like this story, then like, share, and subscribe our New Stories Book English channel for more new stories.